How to fix missing chat history sync now in Messenger. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how we can fix missing chat history sync now in Messenger. So let's get started. So if you're not able to see that, you can simply go to sync now and type down your passcode that you just enabled while setting that up. If you don't remember the passcode, then you can simply click on getting an OTP and you will receive an OTP on the email linked or phone number. And if you can't fix that, you can simply head over, click on these three horizontal lines at the top left, and then you gotta click on this gear icon over here. After that, you gotta scroll down, click on privacy and safety, and then you gotta scroll down again, click on end-to-end encrypted chats. Over here, you gotta click on message storage, and then you gotta click on delete secure storage. After that, click on continue. Once done, you'll be able to see that your chat history has been reset and now you can successfully sync your chat history. So that is basically how you can fix missing chat history sync now in Messenger. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.